Tonight, I release the weight of today. I let go of stress, doubt, and fear. I choose peace over worry, calm over chaos. My mind is quiet, my body is relaxed, and my spirit is light. Take a deep breath. Let the day go. This is your moment to reset, recharge, and realign. I release today's worries and embrace peace within. I am proud of how far I've come, even in small steps. My mind is calm, my body and soul is rest. I attract positive energy as I prepare for tomorrow. Abundance, peace, and joy flow to me effortlessly. I deserve rest, I deserve love, I deserve success. Every night, I grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. As I close my eyes tonight, I release everything I cannot control, and I open myself to renewal, peace, and new beginnings. I trust that everything is working in my favor. Tomorrow, I rise with new strength and new blessings. And so it is.